Hey there, YouTube. Superbrain AK here. I've figured out this video camera here. It's a JVC Vario. I'll probably put the model in the description. Yeah, it's my radio. It's a 10 o'clock tool. And yeah, the JVC recorders, they record in mod files, which they're a pain. But look at that zoom. I like that zoom. If you've got WinFF, it will do anything you want it to. Yeah. So I'm gonna be recording it with the camera and then uploading it. I guess the quality. You know, you guys tell me what the quality is of it, whether you like it or not. It's definitely less quality than my camera, but I record long things, which might have something to do with that guy down there. Yep, it's been cold recently, so it might come out for some fun. Maybe a little POV for you guys. So yeah, look at that. Wait for it to focus. There we go. 993 views. Almost there. 28 subscribers. Not bad. Got my kitty. So yeah, guys. I'll be doing a RC video soon. So don't be surprised if it's nothing high voltage. Yeah, look at that mess. It's Mr. Rusty back there. Yep, that's my teddy bear, guys. Watches me have fun. So yeah, guys, I'll say goodbye, and I'll put the download link for WinFF. If you've got any video converting problems, get this and it'll solve everything. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching and subscribing, you know. Whoops, too far. Alright, take care, guys.